Hey everyone, Josh here from AusTerrain. Today I'm just going to show you a nice little run through of another NPS 4x4 crew cab tray build we've done. Proudly Australian made right here in Loganholme. Full heavy duty aluminium construction. Our tray and spring mount subframe have a rating of 5 tonne, so they're more than the truck can take. Really well engineered, super strong. So this version of tray is our touring tray, like you might have seen on our previous video of our tray, except there's some slight differences. This tray is 2200 wide, so it's the wide version we do. You might have seen on our other tray it's 2070 wide. So what we've done is fully powder coat. It's 3.5 meters long and it's got the double tapered toolboxes. It has the 240 litres of water underneath, and then that gets paired up with a high flow pump and tap setup. So here we have the infill panel for water tank fill point, and then if you add extra tanks which hide behind these infill panels there, you've got space for extra fillers. We have our bolt-on flared guard. These are set for the wider tray, they don't flare as much. Fully powder coated in textured black, can't go wrong with this colour. We have the 4mm aluminium laser cut window shields, and all the headboard is 6mm thick, including the tray and all the cross members underneath, so it's super strong. We love making these. We're all about quality, and we specialise in aluminium trays and canopies. Moving on to the back end here, we have our double tapered taillight panels with our recessed LED auto lamps, and we got some steady flush mount lights in there too. And we have our trundle drawer, which is compatible with the AusTerrain Warriors winch bar, which you can see here. Also, AusTerrain Warriors have done the super singles and the bull bar on the front, so it just looks awesome. Those guys do really good work. All right, for a quick wrap up, this is our 2200 wide version of our touring tray. For more info, please give us a call. Visit our website, austerrain.com.au. Check out our Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube. We got heaps of cool truck builds coming up. We got Fuso canners, we got Hino builds coming. We have awesome canopies, full touring setup. So please get in touch, and thank you so much for watching.